Hi guys. Part of your assignment today is to listen to this story that I'm going to read to you. It's about Earth Day and ways that you can help your world, ways that we can help the Earth, since it is Earth Day today. So happy Earth Day. I want you to listen to the story and then watch the other video also. And then you're going to go to Google Slides and type out or write in your journal first and then type them out onto Google Slides 3 ways that you can help the Earth. Okay? So this is the story. This is the number 10. 10 things I can do to help my world. And this book is actually made from recycled material. It's falling up. I've had it for a long time and falling apart. But even this book is recyclable, which means it could be reused. So this is the first page. I remember to turn off the light when I leave the room. Turning off lights and using more efficient light bulbs saves valuable energy. Kind of have a glare on this. I try to turn off the tap when I brush my teeth. Every time you do this, you save 18 glasses of water. So turning off the faucet while you're brushing your teeth would be one way to help save our Earth or help our Earth. That's the trash. I always throw away my trash. Putting garbage away keeps the world safe and clean. The next way to help our Earth is see that? I will feed the birds in winter. Can you believe that's a way to help our Earth? Feeding the birds helps them get ready for nesting in the spring. And this is kind of one that we've talked about in class when we were doing like free art during inside recess. Remember how we would have inside recess and I'd let you do free art, but we would use paper that was already used or reuse paper? I use both sides of the paper. If everybody did this, it would greatly reduce the number of trees that we use to make paper. We want to save our trees to help our Earth. And so recycling and reusing paper is one way you can help our Earth. Would you like to join in, Kate? I remind my parents to unplug the TV when we are not watching it. Many electrical appliances use energy even when they're turned off. So actually unplugging things like unplugging the curling iron girls or moms or straightening iron, anything that you can unplug will help save our Earth. This one's fun. I enjoy making toys from things around the house. So you can recycle old boxes and make a robot. We can reuse lots of things before we throw them away. I wonder if you guys have done that. I like to walk to school. Now that's not an option for some of us, but avoiding car trips saves gas and cuts down on air pollution. Walking is also good exercise. Another way you can help. I can plant seeds and help them grow. Plants help keep the air clean and healthy. I wonder if you guys have plants at home. Maybe you're planting some seeds this week or this spring. That will help our Earth. I help, and a lot of you do this, sort the recyclings. A lot of you might recycle cans at home, putting them into a separate bin so that they're taken to a place where they can be reused. Glass, you can recycle paper and compost by adding all the scraps to your food into a garden. You can recycle paper and plastic. More than half of our garbage can be recycled. It takes much less energy to recycle something than to replace it with something new. All because I love my world. I wanted to share that book with you because it's one of my favorite, and there are some great ideas in here to help, that's something that you can do to help our earth. So happy Earth Day. Watch my other video, and then I want you to name some things that you can do to help our earth. Love you guys and miss you.